Connect the cable on the wire feeder to the positive pole of the welding machine. The key core control cable is connected to the welding machine socket. The ground clamp is connected to the negative pole of the welding machine. Welding torch connected to the wire feeder. Install the welding wire. Replace the wire feed roller that matches the welding wire. And adjust the pressure handle to the corresponding position. Replace the contact tip that matches the welding wire diameter. Connect to the input power supply. Install the power supply protection shell. And the equipment must be effectively grounded.